sad to say, this could be my last ride. Daming truck! Kailangan nakakita ng honesty lane guys dito sa convenience store. Right here, right now. Good morning guys, welcome to another ride video. So it's a lovely Wednesday morning and we'll do a quick ride. So wala tayong specific plans today, mag-stroll lang tayo. Last time we did a ride, pumalpak tong shifting cables natin. So we'll test it out, nagawa na siya. Good thing walang major na naging problema. Chinuning lang and we'll test it out. So samahan niyo ako today. Let's go!
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning guys. Morning. So it's 8:15. Sobrang busy ng kalye guys. So ingat lang tayo sa gilid. Okay guys, punta tayo ng Old Chua-Chu-Kang Road. Hindi tayo didiretso da. Mapuntang Granje yun and it's a long stretch. We'll just do a quick loop, paikot, and I'll tell you more bakit may sila yung ride natin. This might be yung last ride natin for the year. So looking at yung ating calendar and mga series of events ganap na mangyayari for the next coming weeks in preparation sa holiday, I don't think we will have another weekend para makapag-ride. So probably talk about towards the end ng video on how my year went, 2025. Did we actually achieve yung mga sinabi natin gagawin natin this year? So stay tuned and let's go! I like this route ito. Up and down tong terrain na to, fast pace. So let's go! So far so good yung pinaayos natin. Shifting has been really precise, tahimik, and it's perfectly doing well. Pero yung rider hindi. So another lusong and another ahon coming up. Let's go! Music natin today is brought to you by Fatboy Slim. Right here, right now. Another stop. Another stop. So we're playing it by our legs guys. So wala tayong specific na route. Depending on how we feel, kaya pa ng legs natin. It's been stop and go dito sa Bukit Batok area, but it's okay. So nakakapahinga tayong konti. especially pag nagsushoot up yung BP natin, guys. But all good. Let's go. Maybe another 5-10 kilometers, we don't know. Let's see. Woo! Grabe yung pagka-busy ng Bukit Batok Road. Finally, we're back in Boon Lay. I like this, very peaceful, quiet ang lugar na to, lalo na pag this time of the day. So siguro we'll hit about additional mga 5k siguro, or kung kaya another 10k. Tayo dito sa Ulo Pandan. Ito yung spiral na overpass. Steep ng konti, may mga section na medyo steep, may section din naman na all good. Woohoo! Sarap. Kita niyo yung mga reservoir nila, kaya hindi nagbabaha, oh. Ang lalaki. Ewan ko ba, but sa atin highly congested, lilit ng kanal, kaya well, what do you expect, talagang babaha. Kalawat ka ng basura, walang disiplina, kaya we cannot blame it all sa mga politiko, guys. So we also need to do our part, hindi lang puro reklamo, right? So approaching West Coast Highway. Nice. Right, U-turn, pabalik ng Jurong, guys. Yeah, so additional 5+ kilometers siguro ito pabalik. Let's go! Daming truck! Almost home, guys. So hindi na tayo magko-coffee, makulimlim, mukhang uulan. We'll just grab a bottle of iced coffee doon sa convenience store sa condo natin. Let's go! Right, last turn, guys, and then we'll hit the last 400 meters. Not bad. Alright, self-purchase daw to, guys. So, I don't know, explore natin paano. Kailangan nakita ng honesty lane, guys, dito sa convenience store. Alright, guys, so we're done with the ride. We're back in Lakeville. So, refreshment muna tayo. We did roughly about 28 kilometers, so not bad. And I'd like to take a moment lang to reflect on the cycling journey for this year. So this could be my last ride for the year, syempre. It's December 10, and looking ahead sa schedule and calendar natin, we're heading back this weekend, pabalik ng Pilipinas, and so many things will happen for the Christmas, and I think na mahirapan na tayong maghanap ng time to cycle again. So this could be my last ride for the year. Who knows? Kasi pagin ulit tayo tomorrow before the weekend we fly back. So this year, did we achieve yung sinabi natin last January na nag-ride tayo? I remember sabi natin we'd like to beat you in 2024. And sad to say, looking at yung Strava ko ngayon, we're way off doon sa sa pinlan natin. So sabi natin we wanted to be close to 2,000 kilometers and we're not even close, guys. But knowing the reasons behind, I'm not disappointed at all kasi a lot of the things I spent for family, traveling, trying to be back as often dito sa Singapore, and that would mean sacrificing yung weekends natin, doing what we love, yung passion natin on cycling. It's all worth it, no? Every weekend counts to be with the family. So we did less than 1,000 kilometers, about 36 rides for the year, and distance-wise talagang patingi-tingi lang. So talagang chill ride lang, coffee ride lang, breakfast ride lang. Wala tayong masyadong milestones na na-unlock in terms of personal records and all. But all good. Video-wise, I think we did about 20, siguro including na to, itong video na to, 20 videos sa channel natin. Not everything are related to cycling. So, yeah, that's how I would wrap up yung taon na to. It has been challenging in terms of finding time to cycle. So kaya nga minsan I try to hit the indoor trainer, pero boring talaga, hindi ko talaga matagalan yung indoor train. Battery ng camera died. So I was mentioning kanina, I didn't really like yung indoor training, hindi ko matagalan. So siguro just to break lang na wala tayong activity for the week. So we try at least 10-15 kilometers sa trainer. So that's it. And then a little bit of walking. So marami tayong walking na ginawa this year. Kaya nga, I think in some weekends, marami tayong mga masakit-sakit sa mga kasukasuhan, tuhod, and also yan talagang nagkakaedad na. Right? So this year, not a good one in terms of cycling. But I'm very happy kasi hindi completely nahinto. We managed to do a couple of videos, and those videos are intended not for whatever reason but to fully document yung time for myself, with my family, and things that we really love doing. So panoorin niyo yan. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do so. So not a full-time YouTuber but an avid, I would say, passionate cyclist. So that's it for 2025, guys. Do we have plans para sa 2026? Madami, guys. And to be honest, hindi ko pa ma-divulge ngayon. But I might do a couple of things. No? Number one, who knows? I might sell this bike. Am I quitting? I don't know, to be honest. But I see big things happening next year. But definitely, habang di pa nangyayari ang mga yan, we'll continue to cycle. We'll continue to create more contents as much as we can. And hopefully, marami pa tayong cycle time, mileage na magawa. And but one thing's for sure, next year we'd love to really take care of our health, and cycling has been a passion of mine that keeps me, I think, moving, kahit papano, with our unhealthy lifestyle, sabi nga, sa pagkain and all. But something that we need to really watch out and look after. Kakaedad na tayo, things are not the way they used to be nung medyo kabataan at malakas-lakas pa. So we'll try to cycle more often. I won't commit ngayon ng any mileages and on, but we'll just continue to do this. Hopefully I can still ride with groups, with friends. RFCC, kamusta kayo dyan? It's been a while. And I really look forward to doing that. Stay tuned anong meron for next year, but I love this bike. I've done maybe about 5,000 kilometers already sa bike na to. It has been 3-4 years na sa akin, and would really love to see, I don't know, a new one, or I might let go of this next year. So let's see. Alright guys, yun lang. Till the next one, Happy New Year sa inyo, and I wish you Merry Christmas. Enjoy the holidays, enjoy the time with family. That's it. Bye guys. Happy weekend.